Hey, are you looking how to create a drop-down menus for your WordPress website? So you're on the right place. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down menus for your WordPress website. So let's go on the computer and I will show you how to create a drop-down menus for your WordPress. So guys, finally I'm here in my computer and now I will show you how to create a drop-down menus for your WordPress website. And the last video was learn how to upload a Vantage or any theme for your WordPress website. So in this video we will learn how to create a drop-down menus. So I'm here on my website. You can see here only have a page, home page, and this is my Vantage theme which I was uploaded before in the last video. You can watch the video. I will provide the link in the description box. And first of all we have to create the pages, and then we can create a drop-down menu. We will convert into drop-down menus. So I'm here in my dashboard. First of all you have to go in the pages. You can see here the pages, and you can see here is no single page are available. If have, you can just click and refresh. Okay, and you can see here the only simple page here is a home, and we do not need to create any other page. So I have here my some pages list, and I will create about me, personal information, and my download CV, galleries, photo galleries, video galleries, and services, website designing, logo, e-marketing, e-commerce, t-shirt designing, etc. You can create whatever you want. You can create simply. And contact me, feedback, contact me, contact form, you can create according to your need. Okay, so I'm just going here and I will click here, add new, and I will copy this about me, and here I will paste. And click on the publish. Okay, so just you have to add a new one. Click here, add new, and then you have to choose the name of your page. I'm gonna select this personal information, simply paste here, and then publish. Okay, this is only simple and very quick method. Just add new, publish, add new and publish. And now I refresh my page. You can see here my pages, about me and personal information. Okay, so you can add here your pages according to your need. So I'm gonna complete my pages, and then I will show how to create a drop-down menus, how to convert into drop-down menu. So I wanna save your time. Okay, let me complete this, and I will show how to create. Okay, finally I'm done to creating the pages. So you can see these are the pages, these are the not menus, so these are the pages. Okay, and now I just go back here, click on the pages. You can see these all are my pages I have created right now, and now I will convert into the drop-down menus. Okay, so for this we have to go here and appearance, and you can see here the menus. Just click here on the menus, and now you can see here the menu one. You have to click here the create menu, and then you have to, these are my pages, and then I will convert into drop-down menu. So simply these are the main headings, home, about me, these are the main headings. So in this in about me, I have to address the about me, personal information. Just simply drag here and then move on the left side, personal information and download CV. Where is my download CV? For creating the drop menus, you have to just simply move the left side. You have to convert the page into sub item. Okay, these are the sub menus. This is about me is the main page, and you have to move in the left side, and now this is a menu, drop the menu. So I have done the adjustment of my menus. So you can see home page, this is a main, and about me, this is a main, services, main, gallery, main, and contact me. And these all are the sub menus. So for creating a sub menus, you simply just drag the left side and this will be converted into drop the menus. Okay, so after that we have to check these boxes and simply click on the save changes first. Okay, so simply click on the save menu and then refresh the page. You can see these pages convert into drop-in menu. So I click here, you can see drop-in menus, pop-up show, services, pop-up show, okay, and same as it is the gallery and contact me. In this way you can create a drop-in menu. This is a very simple method and not any difficult. Okay, so if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment box. And in the last video was learn how to upload a Vantage theme or anything you want to upload. I was teach by the two different methods, by the QTFTP and simply here you can upload the theme. And if you want to learn how to create how to upload a theme, you can watch my video. I will provide the link in the description below. You can check it, and if you like video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please keep supporting. And I will see you in the next video. I will make a video about how to make the slideshow here, meta slider I will use. And the next video I will show how to create a meta slideshow here. So see you in the next one. Okay, take care of yourself.